Need a label maker that offers the benefit of PC connectivity and ease of use? The Brother PT-2430PC, a label maker that's ready to print from your PC within seconds of connecting it. Simply plug and label. It's the easiest way to transform your ideas into great-looking labels. Easily create great labels using the flexibility of your computer. The PT-2430PC's built-in software and plug and label functionality simplifies the process. Just connect to your PC using the included USB cable, press the power button, and within seconds begin using the intuitive P-Touch software to create labels incorporating almost any font, graphic, or images. Once you're done, simply disconnect the PT-2430PC. No software is left behind. The powerful yet intuitive software that appears on your PC screen allows you to easily create labels with a variety of font styles and sizes. As you enter the information, the text is automatically resized to fit the label. Take full advantage of the symbols, graphics, and images on your PC by easily importing them to create more attractive, eye-catching, and professional-looking labels. Once you're done, simply click the Print button. The PT-2430PC's built-in auto cutter will automatically cut the label to the programmed length. And when you print, what you see on the display is what you get on your label. The PT-2430PC is great for labeling file folders, reports, CD spines, and much more. The PT-2430PC allows you to create an astonishing variety of labels up to 1 inch in width. Print text, symbols, and graphics on multiple lines and in multiple formats. You are only limited by your imagination. P-Touch laminated tapes come in a wide variety of colors and sizes, allowing perfectly sized, striking labels. Create labels for signage, file folders, reports, and office hardware. Label virtually everything and anything. Durable P-Touch labels withstand water, spills, heat, and cold, so they can even be used outdoors. They can easily be applied to virtually any surface. Whether it's for the home, office, or outdoors, P-Touch labels are a quick and easy way to get organized. One of the PT-2430PC's greatest strengths is its portability. Its compact design makes it easy to fit on your desk or take it with you. It is lightweight and easy to carry, so you can print labels in virtually any situation or work environment. And because it does not install software on the computers that use it, no administrative rights are required, making it easy to share with others. The PT-2430PC can be used with the included AC adapter or 6 AA batteries purchased separately, so it's perfectly suited for portable or stationary use. The P-Touch labeler also comes with a 1-year limited warranty. From Brother, at your side.